Hello guys, welcome to the 31st session of Blazor tutorials for beginners. In this session we will learn how to use the ref parameter to obtain component and manipulate it. Here I have created a component named main content. It has a heading and some paragraphs. Those paragraphs will display based on the show content flag, and it has one method, that is toggle content. It will update this flag and call state has changed method to reflect those changes in the user interface. Now we will create another component and use this component inside it. Ref demo. Add page directive. Session 31 ref demo. Add main content. Now save the file and run the project. Open the page. Here we got content from main content component. Now we will create a new button in this ref demo. When the user clicks on it, we will call toggle content. Let's create button for toggle content. Add CSS classes. On its click event, execute toggle content. Add new lines. Create a toggle content method. From this, we want to call the method defined in the main content. We need to create an instance of main content. Using ref parameter, we can bind this component reference to this field. When we use this field, it contains this component. So we can dynamically manage it. We can update any parameter, modify child contents, or call any function defined within it. So let's call toggle content of main content, which will make UI changes. Save the file and restart execution. And refresh the page. Click on button. It hides content. Again click on button. We got content. Let's see what we have learned in this session. Here I have created a component named main content. Used it in ref demo, and using ref parameter, give reference to this component in the specific field. Here I have just called the method, but you can perform various kind of operations on it. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any doubts, please feel free to contact me. Have a nice day.